Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today, I am unboxing my InStyle box. I'm a little late for the month of December. I had it packed away, wanted to open it when I finished packing up all of my Christmas goodies. I wanted this to be a treat for me, which it is anyway, but wanted to be a treat for me for packing up my Christmas goodies. So we're gonna jump right in, open up this box for December, and I will share with you what's in the InStyle box. On top of this box, it was an insert by Erin Condren, Ready, Set, Gift, 2017 Holidays Gift Guide. And in this, it shows different items that you can gift or purchase from Erin Condren. I've never used an Erin Condren, but looking at these products, I'm looking at these products, I really like what I see. Now to open the box itself. It comes packaged, and I've opened one before, in a beautiful box. White top with gray bottom, and on the top it says InStyle box. I love keeping these boxes for storage, and this is a gift within itself. Now as I open the box, just like last time, it comes with the envelope, InStyle box. This envelope contains information about the products inside of the box, as well as a letter from Nikki herself. It says, "Hi friend, I want to thank you for subscribing to my InStyle box, and I hope you enjoy the beautiful winter essentials that I prepared for you. We have made it to the end of an extraordinary year and embarking on a fresh start with the upcoming new year. I hope this box will encourage you to enjoy the winter season." And I must say, when you open the box, it has a scent to it, a pleasant scent. Smells so good, and I see why, because it comes with a jewel scent Essentials Winter Morning Soy Candle. It comes with the Erin Condren 12-month 5x8 hardbound life planner. It also comes with a mixed wood, cheese, and cutting board, as well as American Crafts DIY Shop 8-inch rose gold scissors. I'm loving that. And paper marked dome shrink bags. Okay. Also, Nikki put an insert in here on how to tie a bow, and I think this is very neat, telling you step by step how she ties a bow. This is a coupon for jewel scent, the candle, for 20% off your first purchase. So I'm loving that. Now we're going to jump into the box, and you can see how it's packaged. It's packaged nicely. I'm going to turn it this way because I think I shifted it somewhat. Again, guys, this box smells so good. So I'm going to lift all of the shred. And here are the scissors here. I'm loving these in the rose gold. Nikki's gonna have me switching to rose gold because of this. And here is the Erin Condren 5x8 Life Planner. Very nice. And this is the mixed wood cheese board. And I'm loving this size actually. Very nice. And the information about the owner is on this business card here. And I'm loving this as well. These shrink bags. I used to make baskets, had my own gift baskets business. So I'm loving these. I know exactly what to do with these. This is what's smelling so good in the box. This winter morning soy candle. Very nice. And this is a treat within itself just to light this. I just wanted to share my InStyle box with you. I will have the information to Nikki's channel and the link to her InStyle box subscription in case you're interested in subscribing to this box. Again, I like getting this box because I like treating myself to something nice. I have looked at many subscription boxes, and this one to me is a real treat. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. I can be found on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed. And I will see you on the next video. Bye bye, guys.